Hello, princesses. Good morning. It is, what time are we on? It's 9:30. I've been awake since 5:30. I couldn't even tell you why. I don't know what possessed me to get up at that time, but I've been awake. I've been editing. I've just finished editing my Valentine's Day Christmas Valentine's Day Pinterest video. I've just finished doing all like the description and everything, and that's all ready to post for tonight. So that's fun. New character unlocked in the microphone game, by the way. Excuse me. My chocolate Twinkle Twinkle. I love him so much. Hannah got him there. He's my first figure. Twinkle Twinkle. Yeah, I love him so much. I don't want any other one from. Oh, I do actually. I want the salmon one from this series. But apart from that, I couldn't have gotten a more perfect pull. Anyway, enough about Twinkle. Hello, princesses. We are gathered here today to start my first cardigan ever. I've never crocheted a cardigan. I'm very excited. I went to the Yaldi.
Yaldi, YLD, noun, a slang word short for ye old Aldi. See also Yorison, Yesko, Yasta, etc.
No, the Aldi yarn event the other day, the 2026 one, obviously. And I was after this specific yarn. It's the, I don't even know what you call it. What type? Can you see? No, you can't. I've got some here. So this is the one that I got last time. It's the rainbow yarn. That's what it's called. Can't remember for life of me what it's called, but it's the rainbow yarn. And there was one in like kind of autumnal colours, which is, sorry, I'm just showing you random bits of yarn. But this is from a couple of years ago, and it's beautiful, and it was kind of the same concept this year. There was something that looked like this. They didn't have it in the Aldi that I went to, so I've ended up just settling on this brown. I just bought a bunch of it because it's really cheap. It's like £1.29 per roll. It's 100 grams, and it's decent. It's quite nice yarn. It's decent yarn for what it is. It's acrylic, and it's just called brown. And I got like 7 balls of it, just in case I wanted to make a cardigan, and I do. This is by Hannah Drabinski, I believe you say it. Hannah Drabinski. I've mentioned her multiple times before on the channel. She's literally like the whimsical goddess of crochet. I love a lot of her things. I mention her a lot in my Pinterest videos and things like that. And she, when was this, 9 months ago? This whimsical bell sleeve cardigan. I'll obviously pop it up on the screen. But I think this is a nice mixture between the patterns that I'm used to with making jumpers and also adding a different element to it to make it not like what I'm used to as well. I was going to make the lace cardigan with this brown, but the more I think about it, the more I want to get like a navy cotton to make the lace cardigan instead. I just think it'll be a lot better. To be fair, I think a lot of things would be better in cotton yarn, like this would be better in cotton yarn. But this pattern I feel like I can get away with using acrylic, whereas the like lacy one, the red lacy one that I mentioned in my bucket list video, I feel like I need cotton for that, and I want to do it in a navy. So I'm going to save that one for next time, and we're going to start with this, especially because it's my first crochet cardigan as well. I want to go with something a little bit safer. I still need to increase and decrease and like do back panels, front panels, everything like that, so it is still something new. It's just the actual stitches themselves are not new to me, unlike the lace one. So yeah, in the video she uses a 6mm hook, but I'm just going to use a 5.5. I am an absolute for a half size hook. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like, you know when you put the volume up on your TV and you either have to have it on an odd number or an even number? I'm the freak that has to have it on an odd number. I used to be an even. I don't know what switched in my brain, but I can't have the TV on an even number. It has to be odd. Same with the hooks. They need to be half hook sizes. Plus my tension's a little bit loose, so I'll go down half hook size. And it works for both. I'm going to be using a 5.5mm hook with this brown acrylic yarn. I don't even know if the suggested one is a 5, so I might actually use a 4.5 instead. Because 5.5 is a bit too big. 4.5 is like my sweet baby girl of a hook. That's 3.5. Okay, well, I'll find a 4.5, and that's the one that I'm going to be using. But yeah, I'm going to start with the back panel. I need to measure first from what I've seen. I need to measure, and then I'm going to chain that amount or a little bit smaller. She's going to block hers. I don't know whether to block mine or not. I know I should block mine, but I don't have a blocking board. I do have a granny square blocking board coming where it's just like the one where you just pile the granny squares on top of each other, so that will be fun. But I don't have an actual blocking board. But she's done a chain of 47. As long as it's an odd number, I believe she said, then it should be fine. I just need to do it a little bit smaller than my, it's not waist, it's like here, it's like just underneath the armpits to either side. I'll measure that and then chain to a little bit less than that. So yeah, I'll go do that now, and then we'll get started on the chains and then see what's next, because that's all I've got. See you in a minute. Okay, ignore Johnson staring at you, but this is the update so far, and I thought I'd just run down all these stitch markers and what they mean, because I never use stitch markers, and that is one of this year's things that are going to change, because I'm measuring and I'm doing things properly this year. So we have these two purple ones. These are marking out the neck hole and where the shoulders start and finish. And then we have this blue one, which means that the shoulder rows have stopped, and this is the first row for the side panel. And then I've just popped another one in here because this is where the increasing starts. So we have the shoulder markers, the side panel marker, and the increase marker. And then that way, when I'm doing this side, I won't forget what I've done, and I can just look on this side and so. But yeah, I basically need to increase it all until it reaches, this needs to fold out because this is the shoulder panel. Increase it until it all goes like this, keeping with the repeating patterns and making sure I've done all the rows. I believe there's 17 rows, there should be something like that, so I need to make sure that there's 17 rows on the front. But yeah, she's looking good. I look very sweaty and very tired. I'm very tired. I don't know why I look so oily, but anyway, it's a couple of hours later now. I've been on and off doing this project. There's a new game that came out called Heartopia, so I was on that for about an hour, and then, like I said, I don't know, I've had my yeah. But I've only just finished my first ball of yarn, which is crazy because I bought 7 balls because I was afraid that I wouldn't have enough to make a cardigan. I severely overestimated how much yarn I'd need doing triple crochets. But yeah, I've pretty much finished the second front panel. I've literally got 1 row left, and this, oh, I keep knocking my PC and nearly turning it off. This is how she is a looking. Yay! Can you see the vision? You can see the vision. I decided not to increase on the bottom row, so this round of repeats is like the normal repeat, and then it increases all the way up until this last repeat. I've just got 1 more row to go. So yeah, do you think I should have increased all the way? I think it'll be fine. Yeah, I think it'll be fine because there's still the border. I think she does a border, and if not, I'm gonna do a border of just like single crochets along here just to give it a little bit more structure. But yeah, I've literally got 1 more row to go and then that's done. But this is all 1 ball of yarn, so if you are thinking of making this project, just know you don't need that much. I like my sleeves really long and also flared on the ends, so I think I'll probably end up using like another ball and a half maybe, because I've got really long, like you can't see, but I've got really long arms anyway, so I'm gonna need quite a bit. But I've got a feeling I'm just gonna need 1 more ball, so this project altogether will be like 2.5, which is good because, oh, actually this pattern, she made the matching skirt, and I really loved the idea of having a matching skirt, but obviously this is limited edition yarn, so I didn't think I'd have enough. But now looking at it, I'll have about 4.5 balls left. Do you think that'll be enough for a skirt? I could just do the skirt until I run out of yarn and then have it that length. I'd love a long skirt, and I do have really long legs, and I like high-waisted skirts, so maybe I'll end up with like a midi skirt. But yeah, I reckon that'd be really cute. Could even just do a mini skirt as well, and then I've got a brown mini skirt, which will be really handy. But yeah, I'll update you when when there's been more progress made on the sleeves. But I'm pretty sure I just need to attach, this is the side that's a bit shorter, isn't it? Imagine it's the right size. I just need to do the sleeves. I think I'm going to start there, like that's going to be my sleeve length maybe, or shall I do it to like there? No, maybe like there, and then I believe it's all the same length until it's here, till it's to the elbow, and then that's when it starts flaring. But I will see what she does. But yeah, I basically just watched Peep Show all day and crocheted. It's been a rather lovely day off. I have an upload in 4 minutes. Good job I remembered that. I have set an alarm just in case I forgot, but yeah. I think I'm going to be playing a little bit of Reaper tonight, so that'll be a fun little break from crocheting. But yeah, it's gone really well. I've really enjoyed it so far, so we'll see how I'm feeling when I've done the sleeves, because it's very repetitive until it gets the increases, obviously. But yeah, it's really fun, really easy, and really quick. I reckon I could have, I don't think I'll get it all done tonight, but I reckon I could have easily got it all done today if I would have just been doing this all day, but I haven't been. But yeah, starting on my second ball of yarn. Bye. Okay, hello. We're gonna ignore the fact that it is about 2.5 weeks later. I don't know what's wrong with me. I literally did the back palette in a day, the back panel in a day, the front panel in a day, started the sleeves, and then I've just not progressed anywhere apart from now. I'm now finished the base of the cardigan. So I've done the front, the back, the like what's it called? The border, and then I've done both sleeves. Now I was going to leave it like this is the end of the pattern, this is the end of the video for the cardigan, and I was going to leave it as it was, but I showed Lauren it the other day and she was like, do you know what would look really cute? If you did little ruffles on the end of the sleeve and on the bottom all the way around of the actual cardigan itself. So now I can't get that out of my head. So now we're going to do ruffles. So the cardigan isn't even finished yet. I've not cut off, I've literally just finished the second sleeve. But yeah, this is her so far. I really love her. I keep trying her on and I really love her. I've done the sleeves super duper bell sleeve-ish like, and there'll be a lot more flowy once I block it, because I think I am going to block it. I'm at least going to put it in the wash. I think I might put it inside a pillowcase and wash it like that, because it is acrylic yarn, I don't want to ruin it. But yeah, super duper cute. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put ruffles on the end of this one. I'm going to do a single crochet border and then do ruffles, and then I'm also going to do ruffles on this bottom bit as well. And that'll probably take another 2 weeks, so that's fun. I literally haven't posted a video this month. I've been preoccupied and working. So yeah, hopefully I'll get it done today, but we shall see. I am back in the Overwatch obsession, so that has taken up most nights. It has indeed. But yeah, I need to start prioritising crochet again, because I was doing really well and then now I'm not. But yeah, just thought I'd update you. Again, ignore the fabric. It is nearly 3 weeks later since I last updated. Yeah. Anyway, bye.
I've looked to my right. Daddy. Look to my left. AJ. 6'7". These partners stink of poo.
Okay. Should be able to see. Hopefully. There we go. Put ruffles on the bottom.